Did you know you can grow fresh mint at home without having a large garden? Mint grows quickly, smells wonderful, and can be used for tea, drinks, cooking, and many home recipes. In this video, I will show you step by step how to grow healthy mint at home. Even if you only have a small balcony, backyard, or windowsill, you can grow mint from seeds. But one of the easiest methods for beginners is to start with a healthy mint cutting. Choose a fresh mint stem about 10 to 15 centimeters long. Cut it just below a leaf joint, then remove the leaves from the lower part of the stem. You can place the cutting in a small glass of clean water. Keep the leaves above the water while the lower part of the stem remains inside the water. Within several days, you should begin to notice small roots developing. Mint spreads very quickly, so growing it in a container is often easier to control. Choose a pot that is wide enough for the plant to spread. Most importantly, make sure the pot has drainage holes underneath. Mint enjoys moisture, but its roots should not remain in waterlogged soil. If excess water cannot escape, the roots may begin to rot. Once your mint cutting has developed good roots, make a small hole in the soil. Carefully place the roots inside and cover them gently with soil. Press the soil lightly around the stem so the plant can stand upright. Then water the soil thoroughly. If you are planting more than one mint plant, give them enough space because mint can spread quickly as it grows. Place your mint where it receives plenty of bright light. Morning sunlight is usually very helpful. In extremely hot weather, some protection from strong afternoon sun can prevent the leaves from becoming stressed or scorched. If you are growing mint indoors, place it close to a bright window, where it can receive several hours of good light. During warm weather, check the soil regularly. If the top layer begins to feel dry, water the plant. However, do not allow the pot to remain filled with standing water. The goal is moist soil, not permanently soaked soil. Good drainage is one of the easiest ways to keep your mint healthy. Mint usually does not need heavy feeding. A small amount of compost or a suitable balanced plant fertilizer can help if the soil is poor. You should also trim the plant regularly. Pinching off the growing tips encourages the mint to produce more side branches, making the plant fuller and bushier. Do not be afraid to harvest it. Regular harvesting can actually encourage fresh growth. Check underneath the leaves from time to time. Look for insects, unusual spots, damaged leaves, or signs of disease. Remove badly damaged leaves and keep the area around the plant clean. Also avoid overcrowding the plant because good airflow helps keep the leaves healthy. When your mint has produced plenty of healthy leaves, you can begin harvesting. Use clean scissors or simply pinch off the young stems above a pair of leaves. Take only what you need and allow enough leaves to remain so the plant can continue growing. And that is how simple it is to grow fresh mint at home. Give it good soil, proper drainage, regular water, enough light, and occasional pruning, and your mint can keep producing fresh leaves for you. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and follow for more simple gardening tips.